Welcome back to the Fenton History Center. I've been bringing you behind the scenes and close-up videos of some of our artifacts. I am in the furniture room with part of our Halloween exhibit. This is a surgical set. If you can read the label, it was purchased in 1893 and used by Lester David Bowman, doctor, MD. He was born in East Hickory, Pennsylvania in 1871. Educated in Jamestown Public Schools, graduated from Long Island College Medical School in 1883, post-graduated from the same school in 1889, practiced in Tionesta, Pennsylvania from 1893 to 1898, and then in Jamestown from 1900 to 1946. General medicine and surgery doctor. This medical kit, I pulled out some of the instruments so we can take a closer look at them. This is part of our collection, and it is currently on display as part of our Halloween exhibit. Halloween at the Fenton looks a little different this year, but we are doing a virtual Monster Mash historical haunted house based on literary characters that from a long time ago. So historical literary characters. There's a bone saw. So you will see this and some of our other artifacts in the drawing room. They'll be featured in our virtual Halloween exhibit, but you can stop by the Fenton and see them. This is set up to be Dr. Frankenstein's laboratory. Those are CAT scans of my head you're seeing. And so we just hope that you will come out and visit us. Join us for the virtual tour. Also, join us for the virtual cemetery tour, October 2nd and 9th, and for the in-person cemetery walking tours at Lakeview Cemetery on October 3rd and 10th. Keep an eye on our social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, and for new content. We're still posting regularly. We've also joined Patreon, so if you would like sneak peeks behind the scenes and would like to see our social media posts early, before everybody else, consider becoming a patron at Patreon. We hope you will visit us and see the rest of our Halloween decorations in person. Thanks for watching.